In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a seller on eBay using a quick search guide. Whether you're looking to browse a seller's other listings or you want to ensure you're buying from someone you trust, knowing how to search for sellers can be a valuable tool. It's straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step of the process. First, you'll want to go to eBay's homepage by navigating to ebay.com. Once you're on the main page, you'll see the familiar search bar at the top. You usually use this to find specific items or categories, but today we're going to explore an advanced feature that not everyone is aware of. To the right of the search button, you'll notice the option labeled as Advanced. Go ahead and click on it. This advanced search function will open up more specific search capabilities beyond just your typical product searches. After entering the advanced search page, scroll down until you find a section labeled Sellers. This is the key area where we will perform our seller-specific search. Here, you'll see an option that says Only Show Items From. This is where you'll enter the seller's username or the name of their eBay store if they have one. It's important to note that having the correct spelling of the seller's username or store name is crucial for finding their listings. If you're unsure of the exact name, consider checking your previous transactions for the correct details or any communications you may have with the seller. Once you've entered the seller's name, you're ready to move on to the next part. Simply click on the search button located at the bottom of the sellers section. And just like that, eBay will generate a page displaying all the active listings from the seller whose name you entered. A quick tip: if you've successfully found the seller and you anticipate buying from them frequently, consider bookmarking the search results page for easy access in the future. This way, you can quickly browse their new listings without having to repeat the search process each time. And there you have it. A simple yet effective guide to finding sellers directly on eBay. Whether you're a frequent buyer or scouting for something specific, using eBay's advanced search feature to locate sellers can save you a lot of time and ensure you're navigating through trusted sellers easily. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider subscribing for more quick guides like this one. Thanks for watching.